Today, 10 workers take on the challenge of preparing and cooking a massive 2-ton fish. The first cut has to be precise. One mistake could ruin the entire process. With the initial incision complete, the team opens the body carefully to preserve every usable portion. The cleanup phase clears the body cavity and prepares the fish for large-scale butchering.
Now the fish is broken down into usable sections: head, collar, belly, and thick meat slabs.
With the cuts separated, the team cleans every section and prepares for seasoning.
The seasoning stage transforms the giant cuts from raw preparation into something ready for fire.
The fires are ready, and the first giant cuts go onto the heat.
Now the cooking begins in stages: grill, pan, and slow braise working together. By now, the giant fish is halfway through the cooking process, and every station is working at full intensity. The second stage builds flavor, moisture, and color as the giant cuts move into slow finishing heat.
At this stage, the fish takes on its final layers of flavor from fire, butter, herbs, and smoke. Every section has to be turned and managed carefully so the giant fish cooks evenly from edge to center.
The final heat tightens the texture, deepens the color, and brings the giant fish to its peak.
Once the heat work is due, the giant fish must rest so the juices settle before final serving.
After resting, the fish is carved into serving portions, while keeping each premium section intact. The giant fish leaves the fire and arrives at the serving tables, ready for the final presentation. With every section plated and polished, the giant fish feast is finally ready to be served. After hours of preparation and cooking, the team finally tastes the giant fish for the first time. After hours of preparation and cooking, the team finally tastes the giant fish for the first time. The final result is rich, smoky, tender, and deeply satisfying, and each section of the giant fish offers its own flavor and texture.
As the meal continues, the collar and belly sections become instant favorites around the table.
Each section offers something different: crispy skin, buttery richness, and soft, flaky meat all across the table.
The head and cheek meat deliver some of the deepest flavor of the entire giant fish. As the feast goes on, everyone begins choosing favorites. Some love the rich belly, others swear by the collar. At this point, the flavor is fully developed: smoky, rich, crisp on the outside, and tender at the center.
The final prized pieces disappear quickly, proof that every section of the giant fish delivered.
With the last bites nearly finished, the feast comes to a close, and the reactions begin.
As the reviews come in, the group agrees that the giant fish delivered on flavor, texture,
and scale.
From the first cut to the final bite, the giant fish became a full-scale cinematic feast, smoky, tender, and unforgettable.